I like pears. I like oranges.
And?
I like watermelon. I don't like bananas.
Okay, Joaquin?
My mind likes pears, bananas, and watermelon.
Fantastic. Thank you, kids.
Me. I like watermelon. I like apple, that, and orange. That I don't like it.
Ami?
I like strawberries. I like
I don't like. Or? Pear. Okay, good.
my brother also likes apples, strawberries, and bananas. He doesn't like mangoes or kiwis.
Thank you very much, girl.
I like watermelon, mixing, strawberries and mangoes. I don't like oranges or pineapples.
Me neither. Rufi?
I like strawberries, and banana, that's orange.
Oranges. I don't like.
I don't like kiwi.
Okay, good. Feli? My dad
Likes kiwi, strawberries, and watermelon.
but
But he doesn't like pears.
very good. Thank you.
I like apples, watermelon, and doesn't
I don't like.
pears.
Maxima? Strawberries? Apple? Yes. Oranges. Let's see.
My brother
Likes.
watermelon.
Yes. But she doesn't like. She doesn't like pears. Very good. Thank you, girl. Apples. Okay. Yes. Lucas?
I like strawberry. I like watermelon. I like kiwi.
Dizzy?
My mom likes orange and banana and strawberry. I don't
She doesn't like.
kiwi.
Okay. Good. Very good. Thank you.
I like watermelons, oranges, and apples. I don't like strawberries and
Or
or pineapple.
Lily?
I like watermelon and strawberry. I like kiwi. I don't like pineapple.
My auntie
And my
likes.
I like banana. I like
My auntie likes.
blue
And
and watermelon. I don't like
she doesn't like
orange.
oranges. Thank you.
I like strawberries and watermelon and pears. And
I don't
I
like
don't like plums.
plums. Okay.
I like apples and pears.
I don't like. My dad
Bananas, strawberries, pears, and watermelon.
She
He doesn't like pineapples or apples.
very good. Thank you, kids.
I like bananas, I like watermelon, I like strawberries. I like watermelon, I like watermelon,
I don't like. And Bruni? I don't like pears. Okay. Thank you.
I like strawberry, I like apple and pear.
Juli?
I like oranges and watermelon.
I don't like.
Pineapple.
My dad
Dad
likes
likes banana,
banana,
apple, and
pineapple. But
Dad
he doesn't like.
doesn't like kiwi.
He doesn't like kiwis. Very good. Excellent, girls. Thank you.
I like watermelon and banana.
Elena?
I like strawberry and apple and banana. She likes banana and apple and strawberry.
Very good.